5 herbs that are good for your health. Many herbs can assist with a variety of ailments. Several herbs are able to help with blood sugar control, acne treatment, and even nausea relief. Herbal medicine is a well-known alternative therapy and preventative method for pain and health concerns. However, researchers have occasionally proved that specific herbs have preventive and therapeutic capabilities. In this video you will see which herbs are beneficial for your health and how to include them into your daily routine to get their perks. So, stay tuned and learn about 5 herbs that are beneficial to your health. But before we begin, support this video and channel by leaving a like right now and smashing the subscribe button. Enjoy! Ginger. Ginger has a sweet and spicy flavor. You can include it in your meals, smoothies, and salads. It is your primary weapon in the fight against nausea. According to studies, its main component is gingerol. It also includes potassium, zinc, and polyphenols. Numerous studies have demonstrated its antioxidant effects, and it is well known for its calming effect in situations of nausea and other stomach problems. It may also ease bloating, cramping, and gas. Many experts believe that it helps alleviate the symptoms of arthritis and therefore is regularly used for controlling cholesterol and blood sugar levels. To relieve nausea and indigestion, mix 1 teaspoon of grated ginger into hot water. Consult your doctor before using it if you are pregnant. Aloe Vera. There are hundreds of aloe plants, but only aloe vera has the power to treat you, both inside and out. The only edible type of aloe is aloe vera. The aloe vera plant is indigenous to the Arabian Peninsula, although it is now found all over the world. For thousands of years, this shrubby pointed plant has been cultivated for its therapeutic gel. Aloe vera gel is beneficial for more than simply skin problems. You may also combine it with water to generate nutrient-rich aloe vera juice. According to science, aloe gel is high in mucopolysaccharides, which are molecules that bind water and keep minor wounds and burns wet. Aloe also stimulates white blood cells, which strengthens the body's defenses and inhibits the operation of some inflammatory cells. Aloe vera is frequently used as topical therapy, rubbing it onto the skin rather than eating it. In reality, it has a long history of being used to heal wounds, burns, and sunburns. Finally, an aloe gel research, published in the journal Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics, discovered that it lowers gastrointestinal inflammation. Turmeric. Curcumin is a brilliant yellow substance generated by the Curcuma longa plants. It is the primary curcuminoid in turmeric, member of the ginger family. Curcumin's major component has anti-inflammatory properties equivalent to cortisol. It is responsible for the yellow color of curry. Curcumin is a free radical scavenger, and its antioxidant qualities are known to prevent cancer development and carcinogenic activity. According to a British study, curcumin may also slow the course of liver damage that leads to cirrhosis. It is used to treat gastrointestinal problems, including indigestion. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it can help alleviate the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Store the spice in a cool, dark area. Remember that the plant works best in conjunction with piperine, the active element in black pepper. The turmeric and pepper spice combo will aid digestion even more. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is a plant-based food that has omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and antioxidants. It has a mild laxative effect and is cardioprotective. When flax seeds are soaked in water, their volume doubles. The bark fibers inflate until the seed is covered in a soft lubricating gel. This coating makes it easier to move through the digestive tract. During this process, the seeds bond to cholesterol, preventing it from being absorbed. The herb is even advised for people who have high cholesterol. Flax's strong omega-3 fatty acid concentration makes it useful in protecting the heart and blood arteries. Avoid it if you experience prolonged stomach discomfort and don't know what's causing it. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a potent spice that has been used medicinally for thousands of years. It is still used daily in many cultures because of the numerous cinnamon advantages, as well as its characteristic sweet, warming flavor and simplicity of use in dishes. Surprisingly, researchers revealed that the cinnamon spice was ranked number 1 in terms of beneficial antioxidant levels among 26 of the world's most famous herbs and spices. The bark of the Cinnamomum verum tree is used to make cinnamon. This bark includes various unique substances that contribute to its numerous health benefits, including cinnamic acid, cinnamaldehyde and cinnamate. If you like this video and would like to hear more, be sure to press the subscribe button.